Hello, I'm May. Today I would like to introduce you how to make sweet and sour king prawn. Mainly that is the sweet and sour sauce I'm very proud of and taste is very yummy. Shall we start?
Yeah.
To make sweet and sour sauce, we do need vinegar. Put some jam, tomato ketchup, and sugar, and corn flour. To prepare the deep fried king prawn, we need the salt, oil, cooking wine, egg, and corn flour. Now, I would like to show you how to prepare the king prawn first. And put some salt, a little bit salt. It all depends on your own taste. And then some wine. Ouch, too much. Never mind. And I would like to put a little bit egg white. Okay, because I did not prepare a lot of king prawn, so I only need tiny bit. Okay, tiny bit sugar. And then we mix up. Right. That's the taste all there. And now what I need is use this. The king prawn I just dip in the corn flour. You can prepare the king prawn half an hour early and then make the taste get into the king prawn, soak inside and make the taste better.
You marinate it. Yeah.
Yes. Now, that is ready. I like to make everything much simple. This is why I did not use the butter and just only use the corn flour. Taste will be very nice as well.
And it's not gooey everywhere. Like with batter, it's all gooey and drips everywhere. Like, ugh.
Turn the gas on. Put some oil. I try to minimize the oil I use. And we wait the oil hot enough, very hot. And say nearly boil. And then we put the king prawn in. Now put it in. Oh, that's cooking. When the king prawn changes color, it's cooked. So now, can you see it? It's cooked. I cook a little bit longer.
Oh yeah.
So stay here. It's about 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute. When it changes the color, pink, that's cooked. Now the king prawn is cooked, and I show you how to make the sweet and sour sauce. Put a little bit vinegar. I don't like too sharp, so I just put half. What I like is the ketchup, and then put some water. All depends on taste, your own taste. The sesame oil is optional, only drop it. Instead of putting sugar, I like put some jam, because most of jam, they contain 60% sugar and also have some fruit taste and make the sweet and sour sauce taste much better. 2 spoons in here. And that's it. And then now we put on the stew. You stir, keep stirring, and make because the jam is quite thick, you need to make the jam dissolve in the water, mix up with the water. When all the jam dissolve into the water, and you can try the taste. Perfect. If you think it's too sharp, I can put a tiny bit of sugar in. Or if too sweet, you can put some vinegar in. The same. Now, to thicken it, we use the corn flour. It to be cold water to mix up with the corn flour.
Why not warm
Make
water?
it pasta. And warm water may be fine, but definitely not boiled water. I mean, boiled water is cooked to make the lump. Now when you do that, there will not have lump in your gravy or sweet and sour sauce. Now it's stir fast when you pour it in slowly. Yeah. Wait it boil and it's done. Look, can you see that it's bubbling? Done. If you like, you can put some pineapple, tinned pineapple in, make it look better. Just all depends on your choice. But this is the simplest one. Now, that is, put it in. Done. Mainly, it's the jam I use make the sweet and sour sauce taste very, very different. The taste is totally different from the anywhere you eat. And also, you can cook the sweet and sour fish and sweet and sour chicken or sweet and sour pork is exactly the same. Thank you for watching. Bye.